Alright, so today I have this iPhone 6 right here. It's running iOS 10, and this is my dad's phone. Now, the issue with this phone is he says the battery dies way too quickly, right? So, I'm going to replace the battery with a 2200 milliamp battery, which is pretty great. I have a similar battery in my phone, and at the end of the day, I'm at about 60%. So first I need to find the correct screwdriver. This one. Alright, and this one. Okay. So this is gross. This, like, right here, you know how when you have those cases on, well, like, a bunch of stuff gets trapped under it. It's just gross. That screw was not even though this phone has never been opened before. Also, one other thing I absolutely hate about cases that show the Apple logo is that you get a ring around the Apple logo, and here I'll just like wipe that. Okay, you get a ring around the Apple logo, and it's like, that's not dirt or anything. That's the actual color of the device, and I absolutely hate that those cases, after a long period of time, leave a ring around the Apple logo. That's the absolute worst thing, in my opinion, that could ever happen when you have a case. Alright. Alright, the display's off now. Alright, and as you can tell by how clean it is, this phone has never been opened before. So first thing is to unplug the battery as usual, or else you have a chance to fry your backlight, which that's never fun. Alright. Alright, the battery's unplugged. Now to take off the display right here. And that will just make it easier to install the battery once the display's off. Also, something else that happened today, my grandma got the new iPhone XR. Here's why that was a mistake. The iPhone XR is $750 for the base model, right? And on eBay, you can get a good condition iPhone 10, which, in my opinion, is way better than the iPhone XR. You can get an iPhone 10 for about $600. Now, that's $150 less than what she paid. Well, I'm assuming she paid $750 and didn't upgrade anything for her new iPhone XS. No, XR. And where are some tweezers to uninstall this battery? Well, that's a good question. Alright, so I found some tweezers, and I had these always on my desk, but they're at an angle, right? And that's not the best for removing the battery, right? If I can just get a hold of the adhesive. Also, something great is I figured out how to actually apply these. Like, I was doing it completely wrong in my previous attempt. So you apply the adhesive strips to the battery, and then you install the battery into the phone. I didn't realize that at all. Even though I don't know if I'm even gonna be successful once I attempt to do that. Okay. Time for the part to see if you actually get to remove the battery or you have to pry it. Feeling a lot of tension. Feels like it's gonna break. Fuck, yeah, definitely. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, like, I can still kind of see it down there, like the adhesive strips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go warm up the back of the phone, and hopefully that will make it easier to remove the adhesive strips. So I'll go do that now. Right. So right now the phone is it's really hot. Seem to have lost the adhesive strip behind the battery. That's quite unfortunate. Okay, well, I'll give it another chance with this one right here. And this is way easier to pull. Wait, what is that? Is that pulling up on the thing? Hold on. What's happening here? Hold on. Holy shit, just get off the tweezers. Okay. Like this thing right here. I think it's either the bottom of the battery, which that would be a bad thing, or I'll go heat it up again. Alright, so I got the battery, somewhat in a position where I can just go in and pull out the adhesive strips from the side of the phone. Yeah, that's the thing. Now, for whatever reason, the adhesive strips, I couldn't get them to not break, because usually they won't break on me. But this time, like, I don't know if there's something different about the iPhone 6. I highly doubt there is. But, like, when I got a hold of the adhesive strips, they just wouldn't move at all. Don't plug in the battery. Okay, now the phone, it was running iOS 10, so, well, it is running iOS 10, so I can't really tell. Oh yeah, that black thing, it was the bottom of the battery. Okay. Well, I want to reuse this battery. Okay, and what I was saying is this phone, it's on iOS 10, right? So I couldn't really check what the battery percentage was. So I used a third-party tool. And that third-party tool told me that the battery, it was at 80%. However, the phone does die way faster than that, so I don't know how accurate those statements really are. And I can't seem to get a hold of the adhesive strip that's under here. Maybe just a little bit now. Alright, so I managed to get a hold of the adhesive strip. Okay. Just pull that out. Okay, now the battery, it's warped, but it is free. Okay. Just push that back into place and it's as good as new. Okay, now I want to ensure that this battery still is actually functional. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to temporarily reinstall this, the display. If I can get it to actually, okay, with the iPhone 6, I can never get it to actually make a good connection. You see, it might sound good, but what the hell, man? I hate this so much. No. Okay, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. That's not gonna happen. That is not gonna happen. I don't care if the battery works anyway. I actually do, but not really. Okay. Let's get this display connected. Okay, finally got that first display cable connected, right? Now I need to get this one, that one, no. This one, yes, there, and the home button right there. Now plug in the battery. Actually, let's test the other one, even though it really should still work. Like, I don't see why it wouldn't. And watch the phone not turn on. Well, actually, while that's booting up, I'm gonna give it a shot at installing some new adhesive strips. Oh, there's 2 in here. Huh. Okay, so that goes like that. So, alright. Where's the charger? Right here. Battery accepts a charge. Oh. Alright. Where's that one thing? Oh, yeah, battery life right there. Yeah, 88%. Alright. Let's power that off. Did you see that? It got a notification while it was in the process of shutting down. That's pretty great. Alright, now, well, it's still shutting off because, I don't know if you could see this, but the backlight is still on. Now it just turned off. Okay. So this battery... %. IPHO and iPhone 6. Okay. Okay. Now, let's not do that. Well, hold on. Do you see the predicament that I'm in right here? There we go. Now the other one's doing it. What? Okay. Now that's not how you do this entirely, but yeah, I got messed up. Or did I? Did I mess up? That's backwards. Hold on. Okay. It's all installed. Kind of. Wasn't installed properly, but oh, you're fucking kidding me. Did that touch itself? Oh, it's not going to come apart. One is good enough. One is definitely good enough. Wait, did I do that? Ah, fuck me, man. I did that backwards. Yeah, nope, I'm not. Nope, I'm not doing this. I'm not. No. No. No adhesive strips. No, that's not happening. Not happening today. Just use some double-sided tape. Hold on. Here's that double-sided tape. My cat wants to be let out. Of course. I know. Just put that right there. And the battery became unplugged. Okay, let's uninstall the battery real quick. Get that up like that. Okay. Install the battery. And the thing's too long. Oh, you're kidding me. Unplug the display. Oh, okay, this is too long. Right here, that thing right there, it's too long. Well, let's install this display right here. Come on, first try. Can I get it first try? No, I cannot. You can never get it first try. That's absolutely impossible to get it first try. Okay, that's not gonna go in. Okay, that took me like straight up 10 minutes just to get that. That's absolutely crazy. Never wants to go on. Okay, that's on. Now the home button. All right. Install the battery. Does it turn on? It turns on. That's surprising because the connector for the battery, it should be like this, but it's like this. It looks weird. Well, my thing slipped. Holy shit! Okay, I know, my cat is crazy. Yep, I'll be back. I need to go let my cat into another room. Okay. Okay. Let's get this screw in like that. Almost, just a little bit. All right. That screws in. Now the bracket that goes over this can go. These screws, these screws. Screws are really something, let me tell you. I hate these screws. I absolutely hate these screws. No, I'm done. Alright, I got lunch and now I'm back. Okay, now that screw goes right here. Alright, we're making progress. Okay. Alright, now that screw doesn't like me, but now it does. Okay, that's the long screw. For some reason the long screw is long. I don't know why. Just goes in the top right. That's all I know. Okay. That battery's in, that's on, okay. And the phone, it turns on. Now that's perfect. Okay, I need to reinstall the display like that. Genuine Apple displays go on so easily compared to, you know, third-party displays. You have to kind of work with them a little bit to get them to go onto the device. But genuine Apple displays slide right on. Okay. Get that like that, and now that. Well, first, let's go battery life. 100% perfect. That's just great.